Hey everybody, today we are at the Long Bay beach. It's a beautiful, nice sunny day. So we thought let's go for a walk. And at the same time, we're really looking forward to cook tonight in open fire, which is corn chapati and eggplant curry. We call back home oro and rotlo. I think whoever living in India or Gujarati specifically, I know what I'm talking about. Oro and rotlo is just mouth-watering food. So we're enjoying here at the Long Bay beach. Oh, it feels so great after walk. I'll see you in my kitchen. First, we're going to roast our eggplant for this eggplant curry. And then we're going to make a corn chapati. So first of all, I already washed nice, beautiful eggplant. It's not from my garden, sorry. It's from supermarket, but I would love to. Soon, in the summertime, I'm gonna have nice eggplant. So again, I'm going to make eggplant curry as well, different kind of curry. So first of all, I'm going to put it oil on the top of the eggplant. Reason for that, it's easy to peel that skin after that roast, and at the same time I'm going to make a hole. Wait, so first we're going to make a hole in this eggplant. Reason for that, it's gonna cook thoroughly inside, and then I'm going to apply oil, and I'm going to apply any cooking oil. Any cooking oil is perfectly fine. Reason for that, once this eggplant roast, it's easy to peel if you put oil. Now we're going to roast this eggplant in the oven. For this recipe, if you don't have open fire or chimney, you can roast eggplant on a stove. But if you have open fire, specifically wood fire, it will give you totally different taste, amazing taste. So while eggplant is roasting, it's not gonna take a long, but we can use that time for let's make a gravy. Now this is from my garden, and I go and wash, and then we're going to make curry. Spring onion, fresh ginger and garlic paste is a main ingredient for this recipe. But if you don't have, it's perfectly fine. Brown onion is fine as well. Like in off season, I use brown onion, but because it was from my garden, it was ready, so I thought, okay, I make a most of it. For gravy, first I'm going to add oil. So it's light olive oil, but you can use any other cooking oil. Then I'm going to add cumin seeds, Asafoetida, and fresh garlic and ginger paste. And spring onion. So we're going to cook this spring onion, fresh garlic and ginger paste for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add the spices. It's a very simple dish, just few ingredients, very yummy. And back home, everybody says that in the winter time, if we eat eggplant, it's very healthy. Now I'm going to add all other spices. Turmeric powder, salt according to your taste. My homemade curry paste. Depend how much hot you like. For this recipe, if it's slightly hot, it's really good. Now I'm going to add chopped tomato. And in a low flame, I'm going to cover and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes until tomato nice and soft. And then we're going to add roast eggplant. So flame is very low and I'm going to cover with a lid and I'm going to let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until that tomato is nice and soft. Now we're going to peel this eggplant. See, it's peeling nicely, this skin. That's a reason to put oil on eggplant. And I'm going to sprinkle salt on the top of this eggplant. Reason that we want to keep this color as it is, otherwise it's gonna turn into black. So what I do, once I peel this eggplant, straight away I sprinkle with some salt, which is I learned from my mom and mother-in-law, that they said if you want to keep this nice beautiful color, straight away sprinkle just little bit salt and it's gonna remain this white color as it is. Once I'm going to add this eggplant, roasted eggplant in a gravy, I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, it should be fine. And very last, I'm going to add now cumin and coriander powder. And this roasted eggplant curry is ready. Isn't it so simple? We call oro. So while this one is cooking for 10 minutes, we're going to have a cornmeal chapati. So I thought I can show you how we make. Now I'm making a cornmeal chapati, which is our everyday food. So it's very simple. I've got water, little bit salt, and it's a cornmeal flour. And I'm going to knead quite a bit. That's a key thing. So I'm going to add a little water at a time. And this chapati go very well with this curry. I'm so used to it because I'm making from years. Back home we used to make an open fire. I don't have that one, so that's why I'm just making on the stove. And today I'm enjoying so much cooking outside because this is my cup of tea. I really enjoy cooking outside. It's just amazing feeling. I don't know how to explain actually. I don't have a word. But in summer, I like to cook outside and have a food on the deck. So I'm going to add a little bit salt in this water because same water I'm going to use for this chapati. And looks like my pan is nice and warm. This one is ready, both sides. And I'm going to put butter on, butter or ghee. And I'm going to make a hole. So this butter go all the way through. And that's yummy part. Eggplant curry and corn chapati is ready. So as always, if you like this dish and recipe, please like, subscribe and don't forget to share with your friends and family. As always, I can't wait to try. My mouth is watering. Very simple dish, just few ingredients and quick dish, very yummy one. So makke ki roti and bengan ka bharta is ready. Oro and rotlo taiyar છે. વિદેશમાં દેશની ખુશ્બુ. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Hi, nothing?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to make a hole. तो record करतो तो.
So, see you in the kitchen.